back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the complex relationship between Tamara Samuels and Koketso from Makoti Are You the One, Season 3. From an age gap to family drama and the challenges of blending families, their journey is filled with both tension and love. We'll explore the key moments where Koketso's sisters disrespect Tamara and how Koketso steps in to defend her fiancé. So before we go into that, let me give you the background of this couple, one of our couples this season. So Tamara and Koketso have been in a relationship for several years, but their story takes a major step into season 3 of Umakoti Are You the One, when Tamara has to move on for 21 days as part of the traditional Ukukotiza practice. The 21-day experience is a trial for Tamara as she seeks her future in-laws' approval for marriage, and it's not without its challenges. Tamara has to deal with cultural expectations and Koketso's sisters who don't always make her feel welcome. One of the main elements of their relationship that stands out is the age gap between Tamara and Koketso. Tamara is 33 years old and Koketso is 31 years old, making Tamara older. This difference in age gap, combined with their distinct background, causes friction within the family dynamic. This age gap creates societal pressures as well, with some viewers questioning whether love can truly overcome such divides. But for Tamara and Koketso, their connection goes beyond age. Still, cultural norms and family expectations make the situation more complicated. Beyond their relationship dynamics, another crucial factor is Tamara's children that she brings from her previous relationships. With Tamara, he has 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy, while Koketso has 1 child who is a girl. So bringing her children into the equation means a bigger family dynamic for Koketso to navigate. In traditional settings, the idea of introducing children from past relationships can be seen as problematic, but Tamara and Koketso approach it with love and understanding. Thumbs up to them. The complexity of blending these families, however, is not easy, and it's something Tamara faces with courage. Another major challenge Tamara faces during her time with Koketso's family, is the lack of respect from Koketso's sisters. Throughout the 21 days, Tamara is subjected to rude comments and subtle disrespect from his sisters. She even said that even when she visits the family on other days before this 21-day Makoti Are You the One program, they would disrespect her and pass nasty comments to her, which is very wrong. Whether it's about her parenting, her previous relationships, or her status within the family, the tension between Tamara and the sisters is palpable. I remember even Tamara saying, I caught her, where I come from, if people do that to me, I will slap them. Wow. Tamara has had enough of Koketso's disrespectful sisters. Despite the tension, Koketso steps in to defend Tamara. His face visibly shows that he's not happy about what his sisters are doing and is going to approach them and reprimand them to stop doing that to his girlfriend. This dynamic is key to understanding their relationship. While his family may be skeptical of Tamara's intentions or her fit within the traditional values, Koketso continues to stand by her. We'll see it as the season unfolds. This is only episode 1 where the couples are being introduced. For Tamara, The journey isn't just about gaining approval of Koketso's family, it's about staying true to who she is while also respecting the cultural traditions she will be asked to adopt to. While she's willing to immerse herself in ukukotiza, she still faces personal challenges in balancing respect for Koketso's family with her own values. I'm sorry for the background noise, guys. The disrespect from his sisters is a recurring theme that adds emotional strain to her experience. Despite these challenges, Tamara remains resilient, trying to maintain her composure and work through these tough moments. Tamara and Koketso's relationship is tested in this Makoti Ayuda One program. They are tested in every possible way, from navigating cultural expectations and dealing with the family drama to confronting personal doubts and insecurities. The couple is constantly pushed to evolve. Their communication will become vital during these 21 days, where Koketso has to defend Tamara in front of his family, which will show us one example of how they manage their challenges. It will also demonstrate the strength of their bond as well as the importance of mutual respect in a relationship. Living with future in-laws will not be easy for these 21 days, especially when the family dynamics are as complicated as this one. Tamara not only has to prove herself to the Koketso sisters, but also to a broader family, all while trying to build a future with Koketso. The 21 days aren't just a test for Tamara, it's a test for Koketso as well. He has to manage the delicate balance between loyalty to his family and loyalty to his fiancée. His defense of Tamara shows commitment to the relationship. Tamara and Koketso's journey isn't an easy one, but it's one full of growth, resilience, and learning. They've had to confront not just social expectations, but also family tensions and their own personal boundaries. Through it all, they've learned to lean on each other for support, and Koketso's willingness to stand up for Tamara makes their bond stronger. What do you think about the challenges that Tamara and Koketso have faced before we even watch the show? How do you feel about the way Koketso defends Tamara against his family? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. So guys, thank you so much for joining us in exploring with Tamara and Koketso's journey on Makoti Are You the One? This is episode 1. I'll keep on breaking down to you as we move through this 21-day journey to see how this couple evolves and how they manage to conquer all the challenges that they are met with. Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future in-depth analysis of your favorite shows. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.